Welcome to my projectprasad.com.
Now we discuss about image as acquisition of texture, a framework for in the segmentation process, Bayesian segmentation and its reduction are standard image processing operation. Clustering can be used for Bayesian segmentation. However, often clustering results depend on the selection of various parameters such as the number of clusters or the clustering algorithm used. The structure segmentation is a part of the early visual system's overall strategy to infer surface of objects in a visual scheme. The goal of image segmentation is to partition an image into meaningful regions, regions corresponding to individual objects or natural parts of the objects. Segmentation would be used for tasks such as object recognition, acquisition boundary estimation with motion, image comparison, image editing, or content-based image retrieval from raw database. Texture segmentation is a visual process that processes a visual scene into regions of different textures. It is patented and parallel process that covers a large area of the visual field simultaneously and is complete with 100 milliseconds. We propose a new mathematical and algorithmic framework for unsupervised image segmentation, which is a critical step in a wide variety of the image processing applications. We model these images as acquisition of random images, which we all structure and show that the local histogram are useful tools for segmenting them. Based on our theoretical result, we describe a flexible segmentation framework that draws on existing work on non-negative matrix factorization and image deconvolution. Result a synthetic texture effect and real histology images so that promise of the method. This is the flow diagram for our proposed system. In this flow diagram, first we give the input image. The input image like as histological image or structure based image, and now that image will go to the Gray conversion process. Sometimes some images will be in RGB, will be there in image. In that time, we convert that image into gray image. So next, the gray image will go to the local histogram process. The local histogram process is one of the feature extraction process. It converts the image matrix domain into feature domain. In that local histogram done by based on the K-mean cluster and quantifies the image. It will help to initial local histogram for factorization the segmentation image. Now we go to the factorization process. In this factorization process, we initialize the local histogram and make the another local histogram of even iteration of each segmentation process. Then the factorization and deconvolution process is the looping process. The factorization image go to the deconvolution process and then it deconvolve and store the label in one variable. Now the factorization is again and again based on the iteration. Then the structures will be defined by the model error. Each factorization and deconvolution process, finally the model error will be calculated. That model error will help to increase the structure value and set the structure automatically. If the model error less than 1, the structure value will be updated. Else, if greater than 1, the final structure value is updated, and then the structure will help to segment the image based on the structure boundary. Now I demo how to run our project. First open the MATLAB and then select the source code file and open the source code. Now right click the main.m file from the source code and run the file. Now browse the input image by select the open in menu. Then select any one image from the dataset. Now reprocess that image. Now it is our input image and it is our grayscale image. Now give the cluster values from here. Then cluster our gray image in 8 point. It is the 8 cluster value of our given gray image. Now extract the initial histogram for segmentation process. Now this is the histogram updation action based on the cluster, and it is the final histogram of, and it is the initial histogram of our saturation process. Now we go to the image acquisition process for segment our image. Now another page will be open. In the process we will use to segment our input image and then analyze our performance. Now just the acquisition with segment the image, and then it is the our acquisition updated release. This is our final segmentation image. It is the final updation image based on the cluster level, and then this all the image will be the updation of our segmentation process image. Then press the analysis button to identify the performance of our process, and this is the zone truth of our input image, and our process will be 86.3% accuracy for text acquisition in our input image, and this is the comparison chart over our existing one, the normalist cut and the base cut and the edition and the associate and GPTO or the existing method, and the odd set is our input method, our proposed method, and now comparison graph will be, so our method will be the best of the existing method, and that is the acquisition reduction based on our iteration. If press zoom to go to the input process or take another process. Now give the exit to exit the process. Now I will give the exit to exit the process. Thank you.